Hello, welcome back to the YouTube channel. It's King Lee right here, CEO and founder of Blue Kings Academy. So what I'm going to be talking about today is how to overcome anxiety in forex trading. Now there are some of you in this level whereby you're very anxious. So now what do I mean by anxiety? Anxiety is fearing about the future, just having this fear for the future. What does the future hold? And you ask yourself all the what ifs. What if happen? What if I blow my account? What if I never get profitable? What if forex is not for me? What if this industry does not make anybody no money? You know, a lot of people are lying online and you can't tell who is who. What if I don't master my strategy? What if my strategy is not working? What if strategy is the issue? What if I'm the wrong mentor? The what ifs is very dangerous trading because it keeps you in this situation of doubting every single thing, doubting yourself. And if you're doubting yourself, having this bad feeling, what if I blow my account the next week? What if I end the month in negative? All of these thoughts will really distract you. Will really distract you because I was somebody that struggled with anxiety a lot in trading. Like, we're entering a new trading week and I'm asking myself, what if I blow my account this week? What if I lose huge amount of money this week? What if I lose? All of these things are mentally disturbing because profitable traders do not think like this. They have a serious, steady strategy and they follow the rule. So that feeling of what if I don't make money the following week is already settled. I have my system. I come and I execute my system. And anyhow it turns out to be, that's it. As long as that system is a working system, even if it turns in the negative, it's just minus 1%, minus 2%, something very, very controlled because risk is controlled. So you don't have anything to worry about. But if you're worried about this, it's because you're having outrageous losses and there's a lot of things to fix. So the first thing is that you have to understand that the market is alpha to everybody. So you have to know that the market alpha in the sense that everybody is submissive to the market. Yes. No matter how you see somebody brag online and say a lot of things online and make you feel less and make you feel like everything you're going through in trading is your fault, you have to know that you're not alone in this. Everybody loses. Everybody goes on a drawdown. Every single person loses. It's just that the profitable guys end the month in net profit, not too much, sometimes 2%, 3%, 4%. That is it. And if your capital is high enough, you're withdrawing that shit. And that's a lot of money. So you need to know that you don't have a capital, you're still struggling, and you're feeling like you're the worst kind of person. You're having all the what ifs in your head. You need to know that the market is schooling everybody. The market is alpha. And any profitable trader that tries to have ego or tries to brag or tries to feel overconfident, the market will humble you. So know that you're not alone. The market is hard. Trading is hard for every single person. You just have to focus on how you can make the market favor you a bit more than the rest of the people that are unprofitable. Number two, avoid situations that would make you prove anything to strangers, either on the internet or on the physical. Now you're in your trading journey, you're trying to make this thing work for yourself. Now you might get to that point where you start seeing some results. If you try to start mentoring people when you're not good enough, if you try to start sending signals to people when you're not good enough, if you try to start posting online, start bragging, it can increase your anxiety level because your mindset is going to be fixed on performance now. Everybody is watching you. Everybody needs to see you perform well. Your anxiety sets in. You start having the what ifs. You start feeling too careful to place a trade. You start second guessing every single trade. So what happens is that you go on a downward spiral. So that's why in trading it's best to do it solo. Do it on your own. Don't involve anybody. Don't think about anybody. Don't care about anybody's opinion. Only care about who you're learning from and follow his advices. That's what you want to do. You want to care about who you're learning from. You want to follow his advices and you want to trade that same way and focus on just yourself alone. So if you focus on just yourself alone, you can reduce anxiety. But if you want to prove to people, you want to always put yourself where people are going to expect things from you, your anxiety can be at all-time highs. So you have to cut that off. Now the third one is if you're in the learning process, you'd lose, you'd make mistakes. Make mistakes that you don't wish you make. You might have journaled these mistakes that you will not do it again. You see yourself doing it. You might have journaled this thing that I'm never going to take trade setups like this again, but you see yourself doing it. Now, how do you stop this? By accepting that losing is normal. Making mistakes is normal because you are what? A normal human being. So most strategies in their raw optimized form could give you 70 to 80% win rates. Yes. But do you know why it's always 50% win rate for everybody? Because there will be human errors. There will be mistakes. There will be missed trades. There might be over risk trade. There are different kind of mistakes FOMO, and the rest that affects every trader. So if you're having this mistake, don't beat yourself up, because most people that have this anxiety and guilt, it always comes from thinking that they are worse than other traders. You think everybody is perfect. No, they're just not showing you their imperfections. Everybody is perfect online. Everybody's showing you what they want you to see. So you have to understand that it's normal. When you lose, when you make mistakes, always journal it and try not to do it again. And even if you fall into it back, forgive yourself and try not to do it again. And with time, you get used to not doing it. Lastly, if you have anxiety, you have to focus on making your system easier and easy to repeat. And when you mean easy to repeat, if you know that your duty is to come on charts and do exactly the same thing, it's going to be easier for you, because you will not think about the outcome anymore. You want to follow your rules that have been backtested and proven. Remember, not just create rules from nowhere. What has been backtested and proven or taught from a mentor, from your mentor, you want to follow this in religiously. And that's what you should think about. Say, tomorrow, what if I lose? No, say no. Tomorrow, I'm coming to trade my own system and I don't care about the outcome. That's how you should think. See you in the next video. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel.